These airplanes are all around 35% of the full-scale airplane. And I do believe that they're running anywhere from like 100 to 120 cc gas engine. Light them up, boys.
These guys are really, really good pilots and also just a little bit crazy. And I'll tell you what, it's kind of funny, but a lot of people don't fly like this for two reasons. One of them is because they're not skilled enough. The second one is to learn how to do this, obviously. You're going to crash a few airplanes and it gets expensive. That was doing craziness with the helicopter earlier.
So what they're doing here is they're hovering these airplanes. Actually, they're in Harrier maneuvers. These airplanes are not really flying. The wings are not providing lift. The propeller is actually keeping the airplane in the air. There we go. Now we're hovering. Now we're hovering like a helicopter. I was going to make a smart comment about Ethan, but Ethan's one of these guys out here hovering for us right now.
Some of this I've done when I fly, just never on purpose.
I think sometimes they're trying to purposely break their airplanes when they're doing some of this stuff.
There have been some manufacturers seriously come out and manufacture what they call 3D airplanes that are no longer in business because they couldn't figure out how to do it. And people would come out here with these planes and do these maneuvers and the planes would just fly apart. I think every plane up here now in the air is made by a company called Extreme Flight. Obviously very durable aircraft. A little tail touch by Ethan. Heads up, guys.
We're talking about the strength of these airplanes. What Dwight just did, that would destroy most aircraft. But the guys from Extreme Flight has it all figured out, that they can keep these airplanes together with that kind of stress on them. The other thing you'll see with Dwight's airplane, he's doing the torque roll. He's got those little winglet looking thingy-madoogles. Those are called side force generators. What that does is it increases the side area of the airplane, so when they're doing their alpha maneuvers or knife edge maneuvers, it gets a little bit more bite in the air. There's a whole lot of thrust going on out there right now to be able to do a one airplane hovering and then doing a rolling Harrier around it. There's a lot of thrust there in both pilots.
Jeff Williams down safely. How about a big hand for Jeff? And Dwight Elmer down safely. How about a round of applause for Dwight? Going to land it like a helicopter. Big hand for Ethan.
Why wouldn't he land it like a helicopter? He slept with one.
And last but not least, here comes John Stewart with a dead stick, motor dead. Good job, John. Way to bring her back.
Man,
big hand for John Stewart. Thanks, guys.